Welcome to Pro Speak English. Let's learn to speak English with confidence.
Hi, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we are starting a journey, literally. We are at the train station to learn how to navigate railway travel. In this first lesson, my friend Liam and I are at the ticket office. Buying a ticket can be tricky with all the different types of fares. Let's see how we handle it.
Excuse me, Elena, have you decided which train we should take to the city center?
I was looking at the express train, but the regional one is much cheaper. What do you think?
The express is faster, but if we aren't in a rush, the regional route has better views. Should we ask the clerk about a group discount?
That's a great idea. I think for two people, there might be a small reduction in price. Let's step up to the window.
Good morning. We'd like 2 tickets to the central station, please. Do you have any special offers for a pair traveling together?
Wait, Liam, should we get one-way tickets or a round trip? We are coming back tonight, aren't we?
You're right. A round-trip ticket is usually better value than buying 2 singles. Sir, could we make those return tickets for today?
Is there a difference between first class and second class on this specific line?
Usually first class has more legroom and free Wi-Fi, but for a 40-minute trip, second class is perfectly fine.
I agree. Let's stick with second class. Oh, does the ticket include a seat reservation or is it open seating?
That's a good question. On regional trains, it's usually first come, first served. Let me double check with him.
He says it's open seating. That's fine. How would you like to pay, Liam? I have cash, but they might prefer a card.
Most kiosks and windows here are cashless.
Finding your way in a big station can be overwhelming. There are screens everywhere. Now, Liam and I are standing in front of the main departure board. We need to find our train and, more importantly, our platform. Listen for words like delayed, on time, and track number.
Can you see our train on the board yet, Elena? There are so many rows of text scrolling by.
I'm looking. Let's see. 10:10, 10:12. Ah, here it is. 10:15 to Central Station. It says it's on time.
That's a relief. Sometimes the regional trains get pushed back by the express ones. Does it show a platform number yet?
It says platform 4. Wait, the text has started flashing. What does that mean?
Usually when the platform number flashes, it means the train is now boarding. We should probably start walking that way.
Look at the train below ours. It says delayed 15 minutes. I'm glad that's not us.
Yes, delayed is the word every traveler hates to see. It means the train will arrive later than the scheduled time.
And what about the remarks column? It says service alteration for the 10:30 train.
That often means the train is taking a different route or skipping certain stations. It's always important to check that column.
Okay, platform 4. We made it onto the train, but the work isn't done yet. Now we have to find our seats and figure out where to put our bags. Trains can be crowded, so knowing the etiquette for luggage and seating is very helpful. Let's get settled.
Okay, Elena, what are our seat numbers? I think they are printed near the top of the ticket.
It says carriage B, seats 42 and 44. Are we in carriage B right now?
Yes, this is carriage B. Let's look for the numbers on the labels above the seats.
I see 35, 36. Here we are, 42 and 44. Oh, it looks like these are facing each other with a table in between.
That's perfect. It gives us a bit more space to work or eat. Would you like the window seat or the aisle?
I'd love the window seat if you don't mind. I want to watch the scenery as we leave the city.
No problem at all. I'll take the aisle seat so I can get up easily if I need to. Now, where should I put this suitcase?
There is an overhead rack right above us. Do you think it will fit or is the bag too heavy?
It should fit. It's a standard carry-on size. Let me just lift it up. There we go.
Nice job. My smaller backpack can just go under the seat in front of me. That way I can reach my book easily.
Good idea. Excuse me, is someone sitting in seat 43? There is a jacket draped over it.
Once the train is moving, the conductor or ticket inspector will come by. This is a standard part of any train journey. You need to show your ticket, and sometimes they might ask for your ID or ask where you are getting off. Let's practice this interaction.
Here comes the conductor. He's starting from the front of the carriage. Do you have your ticket ready, Elena?
Yes, I have it right here. Should I show him the printed one or the one on my phone?
Either one works as long as the barcode is clear. I'll show my paper ticket since I already have it out.
Good morning. Here are our tickets. We are going all the way to the Central Station.
Is this a direct service, or do we need to transfer at the junction?
He says it's a direct train, so we don't need to change. That's much easier for us.
That's great. Sir, what time are we expected to arrive? I heard there might be a slight delay on the line.
He says we're actually making up time, so we should arrive right on schedule at 11:05.
Excellent. Oh, one more thing. Could you tell us which side of the train the platform will be on when we arrive?
He says the platform will be on the right-hand side. That's good to know, so we can be ready with our bags.
Thank you very much. Have a good day, officer.
Welcome to the best part of the train, the bistro car. Whether you want a full meal or just a quick snack, the dining car is a great place to stretch your legs. Let's learn how to order food and drinks while the train is moving.
Wow, they have a pretty good selection here. Do you want a cold sandwich or something warm, Elena?
A warm panini sounds great. Do they have a vegetarian option? I don't see one on the main list.
Let me ask. Excuse me, do you have any vegetarian sandwiches available today?
He says they have a tomato and mozzarella panini. That sounds perfect for me. What are you getting?
I think I'll go with the ham and cheese croissant, and I definitely need a large black coffee.
I'll have a tea. Earl Grey if they have it. Do they provide milk and sugar on the side?
Yes, they have a little station over there with napkins, stirrers, and sugar packets. It's self-service.
Great. Should we eat here at these high-top tables or take everything back to our seats?
Let's stay here for a few minutes. It's nice to have a change of scenery and look out of these larger windows.